Good morning. Welcome back to a brand new video. I am coming to you in a little bit of a different angle than what I usually do. I am heading to go get my nails done. It is Monday morning, not even 9:30. I can't believe I'm up this early to actually go get my nails done, but they really need doing. I'm actually gonna do a really nice little Christmas inspired set today, so I'm excited for that. This weekend, we just had a really nice chill weekend. We actually went to the driving range, which was really fun. My friends picked up a secondhand pair of ladies clubs for me, which was really nice. So I was able to finally get out with those and test those out. So that was nice. And then we kind of just hung around. We did a couple things around the house. I think I've spoken before that we are working on our little backyard. I haven't really filmed any of it just because you can kind of, I don't want to get like any street signs in the video, and then also our neighbors and things like that. But we just put up a pergola, which I probably will show you in this vlog because we are also getting patio furniture that arrives tomorrow. So I will be putting that up, but this weekend we also put up some string lights, which literally took us like all day, but it looks super cute up there. Maybe I'll insert a picture of what it looks like at nighttime, but we're really excited to finally have the backyard done. This weekend coming up, we have some friends coming over, and the weather is supposed to be super nice, so we're hoping to be able to use the space. But yeah, that's what we did this weekend. Today, I am just literally going to do this and then coming home and finishing a work day. So I just figured I would start the vlog here and bring you along. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Nice one, Coop. Is it hard? I guess it'll have to be able to rinse off. Koopy, come here. Coop.
Is there, could we seal or
Koopy, come here.
protecting or?
Right down. Scotch guard, yeah, but you have to rinse this off tonight then, let it dry, and I'll Scotch guard it. Who's your good boy? Oh, who's your good boy? You already dirtied it. You already dirtied it. Over here, Koopy. Back up, back up. Okay, sit down. Sit. Sit. Koopy, look here. This is pretty long.
they're rusting.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Uh,
I feel like I'll get a tray to put on here. Be careful. I don't want you to ruin it in a second. That took a year of growing, dude. Oh, look there. I think I will still get a tray to put them on. That took a year for those to grow. Isn't that cool?
awesome.
It is cool though. Kippy, come here. Kippy, come here. Come here, mama. Come here, mommy. Yo. You didn't clean it up?
Huh?
You didn't do the clean it up?
No.
What do you mean no?
Yes.
I did this. You're a good boy. Good morning. It is 2 days later than when I last left you. I know I started this vlog on the way to get my nails done. The next day our patio furniture arrived, so I know I filmed that as well, and I probably would have inserted that here. But other than that, I didn't pick up the camera. I didn't even show you my nails after I got them done. So these are my Christmas nails. They are just a French tip. I just did like a red tip and they have glitter on them. And then on this finger, it just has a bow on either side. So I'm definitely getting them done right before the holidays as well. I think I have an appointment like a few days before Christmas just to get on another set to last me through to the new year. But I really like how they turned out. I am just in my closet. We are attending a wedding this weekend, so I just figured I would take the time now that I have it to start packing. Got some new items from Abercrombie that I wanted to share that I bought for the wedding. I ordered 2 dresses as I wasn't sure which one would work best. I think I am going to just bring both and kind of decide when I get there. I'm leaning more towards one than the other, but I still feel like play it safe and bring both. It is a beach wedding, but the weather is supposed to be really, really nice, but honestly, you never know when it comes to Florida. Both of these dresses, one is long and one is short, so I can kind of make a game time decision. The first dress, I feel like the color is not going to show up really well on camera, but this is more of like a purpley plum color. On the camera, it looks quite red, but it is more purple. I'll leave the link below if you're interested in checking it out. This is a shorter dress, really nice and flowy. It has a nice tie around the waist, and then I really love the sleeves and how long they are and that it's elastic around your wrist. I think that it's a really nice dress. Not sure if it's good for a wedding, but I feel like it could also work well for a rehearsal dinner or something like that, or even maybe like a holiday party. I could definitely maybe wear this later on into the month for some holiday parties. So that is the first dress. Second dress is a long sleeve as well. Let me just zip it up. I got both of these on sale during their Black Friday deals. It actually is the same color. Again, it looks quite red on the camera, but it's more of a purple plum color. I don't know why it shows up. Let me see if I turn this off. No, it still looks red. This is, let me show you, a long dress. It has a really nice slit right here. The sleeves are long, but they are sheer, so I definitely don't think I would get hot wearing this. And then I really love the neckline as well. So I'm between both of these. I will bring both. I actually am going to be pairing them with this bag. And I've worn this before. You would have seen this in my video when I went to Kentucky for a wedding. This is from Zara, and this is just a really nice neutral bag that I think will be my go-to bag when it comes to weddings and parties. I really love that it also comes with a long chain, so you can wear it either way. It fit all of my stuff in here, including my phone fits in here, and I feel like that is a major priority when it comes to clutches, that it can actually fit your giant iPhone. And then I thought, what would pair really well in terms of shoes with this bag? And I actually pulled out my wedding shoes. Now, I feel like when you get married, you buy a really cute pair of shoes and you put them in a box and then you never wear them again. So I think that I am going to be pairing these with the dresses. Either one would work well. I tried them on yesterday with the dress. These are my wedding shoes. So they're really nice heel height, nothing too crazy. I love that they're a block. This is a beach wedding again, so I feel like I could possibly wear these onto the beach for the wedding, or they're really easy just to take off and put back on later. And then they have a really nice jewel strap on the toes. Obviously, I've only worn them once. However, they got pretty battered on the wedding night, but I think that they still would look really cute paired with the bag. So I'm going to be bringing these to wear with either of these dresses. I also picked up from Abercrombie. Now, I got all of these items on their Black Friday deals. I picked up these blue shorts. So I think I'm going to be wearing these for the post-wedding brunch. I picked them up because I love that they're elastic. So they're not going to be too tight, and they're perfect for when you're eating a ton of food. And I think I'm going to be pairing them with something I already have. And that is this shirt that I got from H&M. This is a really nice silky white and blue striped shirt. I think it'll pair really nicely with these blue shorts. I could really dress it down. I could just tuck in one side of the shirt and dress it down with just a pair of sandals. I think that'll be a really nice outfit for brunch. So I'm going to be bringing this as well. Then we do arrive a day early, so I think I'm just going to be bringing like a casual outfit, maybe just with like what I'm wearing right now, maybe just some gym clothes and a sweater. I'm going to pack up my suitcase. I also need to pull out a suitcase for Andrew to pack when he gets home later today. Ending this vlog in a minute, but before I do, I wanted to obviously show you the patio and then the little baskets that I had got, or they're not very little, but I ordered these on IKEA, and funny enough, they actually delivered them to me for free. And I feel like IKEA has never really done that before. I've tried to order things from IKEA before and get it delivered, and I swear they always wanted like $70 to deliver it to the house. But all I bought was these 2 baskets, and they delivered them for free, which was really nice. So I don't know if they had a lot of deliveries in the area that it just made sense to deliver them at no cost. But I picked up these baskets. Now these are actually meant for light bulbs. So what I have done is I've ordered on Amazon these outdoor electrical light cords that are actually plug-in, so I'm able to plug them in where the string lights are plugged in the corner of the wall, and then we can kind of hang these in the pergola using outdoor light bulbs as well. And I'm thinking kind of either symmetrical or off just slightly in the middle of the pergola. I am not gonna have these done in this video. It will be in the next video, as I have to wait for my order to arrive from Amazon. But I will show you these up. I'm really hoping that it'll look really cute. Hopefully they'll arrive tomorrow before everybody comes over, because I think it'd be nice to have that extra lighting out there. I was gonna go out there and show you what the backyard of pergola look like right now, but honestly, I kind of want to wait until I have these up and everything is kind of done and organized out there. I need to run to Lowe's today to pick up some more grass. I think it'll be really nice to be able to show you once that project is complete. So I am gonna end this video here. I know that I didn't really film too much. It was kind of a little bit boring, but I want to kind of start fresh with December, have a little bit more of a Christmas vibe, and this weekend, obviously, we are going to the wedding, so I'll film what I can while we're there. So thank you so much, as always, for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!